Fault location of medium voltage distribution lines is one of the important challenges faced in the management of medium voltage distribution lines. When a fault occurs in a distribution line, how to quickly find their fault location. As the main product for locating faults in distribution medium voltage lines, 4-phase JYZ series smart fault indicators use short-range wireless radio frequency technology to communicate with the DCU. The DCU by cellular networks and wired networks upload line load status and fault events to SCADA in real time. 4-phase JYZ series smart fault indicators are made of UV-resistant materials and are suitable for harsh outdoor environments, and the protection level is IP68. Supports power acquisition from lines above 5A and supports the identification of short-circuit faults, earth faults and transient faults. 4-phase provides 3 different versions of DCU to choose from. JYZ FFHD standard version, industrial design, embedded communication, supports cellular network, supports SMS alarm. JYZ FFRT extended version, compact design, a J45 interface, free choice of communication method, supports cellular network and wired network, supports SMS alarm. JYLFFHX conductor installation. No need for solar panels and will get power from the conductor. Support live installation. Supports cellular network. Supports SMS alarm. All DCU remote solutions support the power industry conventional protocol. They have passed IEEE 4952007 test and have been widely used in overhead line in more than 100 countries and regions around the world. In the power distribution network, it provides convenient and efficient fault location for public utility service personnel and helps users quickly restore power supply. In order to quickly locate faults, we specially designed a system to be used with 4-phase smart indicators. It is a micro SCADA for monitoring of the smart indicators to achieve easy maintenance for end users and their maintenance personnel. Optimize your power grid management with minimal investment based on your on-site access conditions. It has power grid load monitoring, control and management functions, GIS map positioning, SMS and email alarms, and we also provides mobile app, which greatly reduces management costs and improves response time. The 4-phase fault indicator can help maintenance personnel quickly find the fault location. It is maintenance-free and can save a lot of time and labour costs for public institutions every year.